Don't be disrespectful.
It's art.
Look, I like your
Of
pictures, right?
course.
Don't I make you feel good about your pictures?
You don't like
Don't talk
my
about.
picture?
I'm saying, do I not like your pictures?
I don't know.
Okay. Do I encourage your art? I don't be like, that's not art. Yes. It's very birds on the head in the cage. That's creative.
Nice.
Bird, is that mean bird brain? That's what that's.
Yeah, I think that means bird brain.
No, I don't think that's what it means.
Well, the description right there. So, what were you going to say? Let me take a picture real fast.
Rock pigeons are generally viewed as urban unclean nuisances. I think that's that.
Yeah. That's dope.